wait. No, don't go nowhere. Let me explain real quick. So HCG promotes your body to produce more testosterone, and it also increases your sperm count and fertility. Testosterone replacement therapy is simply put replacing, bioidentically replacing a hormone in your body. So a lot of people choose the HCG because the needle size, they don't want to have these big needles, or they just want to go more of a natural way and just promote more of their body producing more natural testosterone production. I will say this in closing though, however, in my expertise, I feel like you're gonna get better results from using testosterone replacement therapy. Your sperm count may go down a little bit on TRT, but listen, you can do TRT with the HCG program.